Hello, good morning, all of you. Welcome to fifth video section of segmentation. Today we are going to cover thresholding, optimum global and adaptive thresholding, use of boundary characteristics, thresholds based on several variables, region-based segmentation, basic formulation, and multiple choice questions. Thresholding, optimum, global, and adaptive thresholding. This method treats pixel value as probability density functions. The goal of this method is to minimize the probability of classifying pixels, either object or background. There are two kinds of errors: mislabeling an object pixel as background and mislabeling background pixel as object. You can see from the diagram here, gray level probability density functions of two regions in an image. So one approach for improving the shape of a histogram is to consider only those pixels that lie on or near the edges between object and background. An intermediate and obvious improvement in that histogram be less dependent on relative size of objects and the background. The approach just discussed assumes that edges between object and background are known. An indication of whether a pixel on an edge may be obtained by computing its gradient or Laplacian. The proceedings of the algorithm where f of xy is an input image compute an edge image, either the magnitude of the gradient or absolute value of the Laplacian of x comma y using any methods, line and edge detection. Specify a threshold value t, threshold the image from step 1 using the t from step 2. Produce a binary image g of s comma y. This image is used as the image in the following step to select pixels from f of xy corresponding to strong edge pixels. Compute a histogram using only the pixels in f of xy that corresponds to location of the one valued pixels in g of x comma y. Use the histogram from step 4 to segment f of xy globally using, for example, Ostos method. Multiple thresholds. So far we have attention on image segmentation using single global threshold. The thresholding method can be extended to an arbitrary number of thresholds. In case of k classes C1, C2, Ck, the between class variance generalizes the equation sigma square b is p1 of m1 minus mg square plus p2 of m2 minus mg square plus p3 of m3 minus mg square. Threshold image we can give us g of x comma y is equal to b. In variable thresholding, we have to consider the factors such as noise and non-uniform illumination play a major role in performance of thresholding algorithm. Image smoothing and using a gene formation CA helps significantly. However, frequently in that case, the type of preprocessing is either impractical or simply ineffective in some situations. Such situation, the next lesson of thresholding complexity involves variable thresholding. Image partitioning, one of the approaches variable thresholding is to subdivide an image into non-overlapping rectangles. This approach is used to compensate a non-uniformities in illumination and/or reflectance. The rectangles are chosen small enough so that illumination of each is approximately uniform. Multivariable thresholding may be viewed as a distance copulation. One way to segment a color image based on this parameter is to compute a distance measure d between an arbitrary color point Z and orange color A, then we segment the input images G is equal to 1 if D of Z comma A is less than T, otherwise 0. This D of Z comma using a n dimensional Euclidean distance. So D of Z comma is using a n dimensional Euclidean distance is given as D of Z comma A. This is the magnitude of Z minus A. A more powerful distance is so-called Mahalanobis distance. D of Z comma A is equal to Z minus A to the power of T into C to the power of minus 1 into Z minus A whole square and the whole square root of it, where C is the covariance matrix of ZS. So use of boundary characters, you can see the original image segmented by local thresholding. So this is the thresholding based on several variables. Original color image shown as a monochrome picture, segmentation pixels with colors close to facial tones, segmentation of red components. See the diagram C. Region-based segmentation, adjacent thresholds sometimes do not give good results for segmentation. Region-based segmentation is based on the connectivity of similar pixels in a region. Each region must be uniform. Connectivity of the pixels within the region is very important. There are two main approaches to region-based segmentation. That is region growing and region splitting. Region-based segmentation, basic formulation, let R represent the entire image region. Segmentation is a process that partitions R into subregions R1, R2, etc. R such that Ri is equal to R, I varies from 1 to n. Ri is a connected region, I is equal to 1 to etc. n. Ri intersection with Rj equal to null for all I and j comma I not equal to j. P of Ri is equal to true for I is equal to 1 to etc. n. P of Ri union Rj is equal to false for any adjacent regions Ri and Rj, where P of Rk a logical predict indefined over the points in set Rk. For example, P of Rk is equal to true if all pixels in Rk have the same gray level. You'll go for multiple choice questions. The goal of this optimal global and adaptive thresholding method is minimize the probability of misclassifying pixels as either object or background. Maximize the probability of misclassifying pixel as either object or background. Maximize probability of the classifying pixel as either object or background, none of the above. Answer is A. Minimize the probability of misclassifying pixel as either object or background. The errors of optimal global and adaptive thresholding method is mislabeling an object pixel as background, mislabeling background pixel as object, both A and B, none of the above. Answer is C. Both A and B, mislabeling an object pixel as background, mislabeling background pixel as object. Region-based segmentation is based on the connectivity of similar pixels in a region. True or false? The answer is true. The two approaches of region-based segmentation is region growing and region splitting. True or false? It is true. One of the basic formulation of region-based segmentation is P of R I union Rj is equal to false for any adjacent regions Ri and Rj. The answer is true. These are the references. Thank you. We'll stop the session here.